This tutorial shows how to create and customize a boxplot using only base R. A tutorial on how to create a visually more appealing boxplot is linked in the description. After importing your data, you can start right away with the boxplot function. In it, use the variable you want to create the boxplot for. You have to put your data frame first, followed by the $, and then your variable. In my example, the $income. This will already produce a basic boxplot with a few outliers above. A few adjustments can be made now. Use ylab equals within quotation marks income to show what variable is visualized with this boxplot. You can also use main equals and some random text within quotation marks to use as a title. If you want to change the upper and lower limits of the y-axis, use for example ylim equals c and within parentheses 0,7000. Finally, if you want to use some color, use col equals and then within quotation marks some random color, for instance steel blue. More and easier customization options are provided in the ggplot package or ggpubr package. I prefer the latter, and the following video will show you a quick rundown of creating this boxplot.